Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about the Oraimo Spacepods. So these are the new earbuds coming from Oraimo Smart Accessories, and I'm going to do the unboxing right now with you guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. So the first thing you are going to see in the pack is Burna Boy figure, which you can see here. So this is how it looks like. Okay. So this is not bad. Let's just keep it aside and come back to that. The next thing is the sticker. Okay, so you can just peel it off like this and stick it somewhere, like on something. The last but not the least is the product itself. It's the Oraimo Spacepod Burna Boy specially tuned Burna Boy exclusive voice prompt, unique Nulla design, and tuned for Afrobeat by Burna Boy Spacepod. And it comes with active noise cancellation, which you can see here. And at the back of the pack, you are going to see Burna Boy with the Oraimo Spacepod and the specifications of the new true wireless earbud. So it's going to last you for 8 hours, and case provide additional 27 hours with ANC turned off. 365 days warranty in case anything go wrong, but I'm very sure this is going to be a good one. It comes with authentication center where you can also validate if you have bought the original or fake. And down here is keep exploring and open. So at the top nothing, and this side lunar gray. Okay, we have the lunar gray color here. So let's unbox it quickly. So the opening is just similar to that of the Oraimo FreePods 4. As you can see, here is the first thing we are greeted. We'll come back to that. Let's see what else you can find in the box. A pack containing the user manual and a short letter or a short note from Burna Boy. It says, music is inspirational, sound are infinite, and like water, it has no enemy. Music lifts and heals a broken spirit. I have experienced it, and now so will you. Blessings, Burna Boy. Okay, that's good. And that's pretty much it. And here is the user manual, a lengthy one, so you can go through that in case you want to. I wish this comes with a wireless charging method. I don't think this is wireless. This is same thing as wired. Okay, it's wired, not wireless. Okay, by this side you are going to see something here. Okay, it comes with extra air tip, that is medium size and small size. One has been pre-installed. It comes with this type C short cable for charging it up, and I think that is all. So here is it, guys. I like the texture. It's rough textured, and that makes it kind of better than the Oraimo FreePods 4, the original or the regular version. And sliding it open is almost same thing, but let's just see what's inside. So once you open it up like this, you have to remove this, peel it off, and charge before the first time use. Don't just start using immediately. Charge it up before the first time use, and I will share with you everything you need to know. If you want to get the Oraimo Spacepod right now, you can get it for 38,900 naira, which is equivalent to about $39 as of the time of making this video. So you can order yours right now on Oraimo eShop website, but if you want to get it cheaper, use the discount code BRACKET, and this is going to give you 5% discount off from the price of this Oraimo Spacepod. You are going to get it for about 36,195 naira. Thank you for using the discount code, and let's continue with the rest of the video. So our Oraimo Spacepod is fully charged. As you can see, the green indicator is no longer there, so I'm going to connect it up. Let's see how this guy is going to connect, and I'm going to share with you my first impression. Okay, you can see the Oraimo Spacepod pop up. So this means that this Oraimo Spacepod comes with Google Fast Pair. So from a little time I've spent with this Oraimo Spacepod, here is my first impression about it. First, they sound great, just like the Oraimo FreePods 4. The difference in sound quality can be found in the premium tune EQ of Burna Boy. So you can use it to listen to music. You are going to notice that little difference. Number 2 is comparing them in size to the Oraimo FreePods 4. They are the same size. If you look at them closely, you will see what I mean. Aside from that, you will also see the Burna Boy imprint on the earbuds themselves, which is not bad. I like that. While the Oraimo FreePods 4 comes with the Oraimo branding. Every other thing is basically the same thing. Now, the Oraimo Spacepod has this woody texture. When you touch it, touching it, you feel that it comes with this kind of woody texture, very lightweight and smooth. It also has this Oraimo branding by the side with the logo R or L, depending on the left or the right one that you are using. I'll be sharing with you the rest of it in the full review. So please use the discount code showing right on your screen to buy it if you want to get it right now from Oraimo shop website bracket, and you are going to get 5% discount off from the original price. Thank you for using the discount code, and I'll see you in the full review. If you have any question about it, please let me know down there in the comment section. Bye for now. Peace.